Tadow trend. Edit tutorial.
Oh, I saw it and she hit me like, I be like, why you so fine? Gotta make you mine.
Let's start editing. For the first clip, add any Twixtor video clip. Here I used Baby Monster visual film Twixtor video clips. The link is in the description. Because this is a slow motion video, you need to get the part of the video with a single move, just like this part. They are all facing away from the camera, and then they turn to face the camera. First, create a fast to slow video. Use the speed curve flash in. So for the first video clip, you need a 3.9 seconds duration. Adjust the beat marks to get the 3.9 seconds duration. So when I say the first clip is 3.9 seconds flash in, that is how you are going to do to create fast to slow video clip. Then tap the make it smoother better quality. To create fade in, tap the opacity, add keyframe on the first part of the clip, and add another keyframe not too far from the first keyframe. Go back to the first keyframe and adjust the opacity to 0. For the fade out, add keyframe on the last part of the clip, and not too far from the last clip. Add another keyframe. Then adjust the opacity of the last keyframe to 0, but for this edit I did 40. Next, add a Baby Monster name logo as an overlay. Use mask rectangle to crop the name logo, then blend lighten the overlay. Display the name logo on the screen according to your preference. Add fade in and fade out using keyframe. Just align the keyframes of the overlay on the main clip to sync the fade in and fade out of both clips.
Oh, I saw it and she hit me like.
Second clip, add a 0.6 second flash in video clip. Duplicate the video clip. This will be the third clip. Trim the last part of the clip to 0.4 second. Then tap the reverse icon. Add fade out using keyframe. It should look like this.
Oh, I saw it and she hit me like.
Next, duplicate the first clip and drag the copied clip at the last part. This will be the fourth clip. Trim the fourth clip to 1.0 second. Duplicate the fourth clip and adjust the duration of the copied clip to 1.1 second. This will be the fifth clip. Add fade out using keyframe. Reverse the fifth clip. Remove the fade in keyframes of the fifth and fourth clips. Then add fade out to fourth clip. For the fifth clip, add keyframe on the first part of the clip, and on the middle part of the clip, zoom a little bit the video on the screen. Add graph ease out 3 in between the keyframes.
I be like.
Next, add 6 video clips. Durations are on the screen. Add each member's name. This is optional. Here I used font pop-ins, with text glow and shadow. Add text animation, in blur, for 0.2 second, and out blur for 0.1 second. Place the name on the screen according to your preference. And do the same steps on each member's name. Next, add any for slow motion or Twixtor clips video. Durations are on the screen. For the last clip, clip 15, add animation fade out for 0.5 second. Add keyframe on the first part of the clip, and not too far from the first keyframe. Zoom a little bit the video. Then add graphies out one. Add effects. Starting on the first clip, add nostalgic light under retro, adjust the intensity to 100, filter 0, and range 100. Tap the effect, and tap the object icon, select all videos. Add keyframe on the first part of the effect, and not too far on the first keyframe. Add another keyframe, then adjust the intensity of the first keyframe to 0. And for the last part of the effect, first keyframe intensity 100, and last keyframe 0. Duplicate the effect, and place the copied effect on the second and third clip. Do the same keyframe adjustment on the last part. Duplicate the effect again, and place the copied effect on fourth and fifth clip separately. For the sixth clip, same effect but different placing of keyframes. Add keyframe on the first part, middle part, and last part, then adjust the intensity to 0 on the last and first keyframe. Copy the effect and place on every clip, and do the same keyframe adjustments. No effect edit at the last clip. Starting on the sixth clip, add another effect, vertical blur under opening and closing. Place it on the first part of the clip, and trim the effect to a smaller size. Duplicate the effect, and follow what I did here. Place the effect on every clip, except on the last clip. To create Ion Name logo as a background, make another project, and add Ion Name as text, like this, then take a screenshot, then crop and save. Now add Ion Name as overlay, and blend light in. Just duplicate Ion Name overlay clip and display them on the screen. Copy the last clip, and add the copied clip as an overlay clip, then remove the background. Ensure that the removed background clip is on layer 3. Use keyframe and opacity for the fade-out effect. Do the same with the other overlay clips. Please like, subscribe, and get notified for my new video updates.
I saw her and she hit me like, I be like,